everyone. Today I welcome you all for G.C.E English Academy. I just want to consider today the writing part of your all the exams such as SAT exam preparation and IELTS and PTE academic sections. Dear all, writing would be very admirable section of your test. So let's see if you consider with that your writing part, which is the big favorable thing. So you should consider 5 criteria. Now let's say number 1, which is we call grammar accuracy. So that would be the very important and useful as the same criteria. Let's say number 2, which is lexical resources. So what we call it as basically the range of vocabulary. Number 3, the content of your writing. The content that belongs to your 2 things, actually that we call as your experience-based knowledge. What would be the number 4? Actually, that's we call cohesion, which is the logically connected each of the sentences. Right, the last point would be your other language skills that you use that while you're writing, which is the punctuation. It would be that line indenting. And the other sort of when we talk about like your handwriting, capitalization, that sort of things. It's basically you should consider all of these actually while you're writing.
Contact us for inquiries via WhatsApp 0768632275. Call 207-166-56325.